In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a team or organizing projects, a dashboard will help you visualize key information at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up, but if you already do, it's time to log in. On the home page, you'll find the login option on the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to proceed. You'll see a few options to log in, including integrating with your Google account. Simply click on the Google option, and if you're already logged into your Google account on your device, you'll see a list of available accounts. Just choose the one associated with your Monday.com account, and you'll be logged in right away. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Now, to create your very own dashboard, you need to locate the plus icon. It usually resides on the left-hand side of your screen, close to your boards. Click on this plus icon, which will prompt a drop-down menu, and then select Dashboard from the menu. This is a crucial step because it will lead you to where you can start building your new dashboard space. Next, it's time to give a name to your dashboard. Think about what this dashboard will represent or what purpose it will serve. Click on the text box that appears and type in a meaningful name that will help you and your team easily identify it later. Remember, a clear, concise name can make all the difference when managing multiple dashboards. Once you've named your dashboard, you'll be prompted to choose its privacy type. Monday.com offers a few different privacy settings which dictate who can see or access this dashboard. You can choose between a private dashboard that only you can see, a shareable one that you can share with external users, or a main dashboard that everyone in your team can access. Consider your audience carefully when deciding on this setting, as it's important for collaboration and data security. Now, with your dashboard named and privacy set, you'll see a Create Dashboard button. Take a moment to review your details, and once you're satisfied, click on this button. This action finalizes the creation of your new dashboard. And there you have it, a fully functional dashboard ready to be customized with widgets, graphs, and any information pertinent to your projects or team objectives. You can now begin adding different elements to visualize data and tasks effectively. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in setting up your dashboard in Monday.com. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.